What if your university or your college wasn't just a place that you studied at? What if this were a place that helped you grow, not just intellectually, but also as a person and as a leader? What if this were a place that educated not just the mind, but also the soul? If you are thinking on these lines, then welcome to SVYASA University. This is where the future begins with you. This is the first educational institution in the whole of India to be located in an IT park. SVYASA is situated in Sattva Global City, Bangalore, and our 100-acre campus is a testimony to true academic excellence. We are also surrounded by Fortune 500 companies all around us. This is the perfect environment for tomorrow's leaders and change makers. We are recognized as a Category 1 university by the UGC, NAC A+ accredited, and also approved by the AICTE. What's more, we also have a 4-star rating from KSURF, and this is exactly what places us amongst the top universities in Karnataka. SVYASA is basically a cut above the ordinary when it comes to the state-of-the-art infrastructure and a holistic learning ecosystem. Our programs range from UG to PG and contain the most sought-after disciplines that are in demand in today's job scene. Here are the courses that we have to offer.
BBA, BCA, BCom, BSc in Computer Science, MBA, MCA, MSc in Computer Science, allied health courses like BSc in Clinical Psychology, BOT, MSc in Clinical Counseling, Neuro and Health Psychology, BTech in Computer Science and Engineering, Computer Science and Information Technology, Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning, Cybersecurity, Data Science, Software Engineering.
At SVYASA deemed to be university, we take pride in our strong edutech collaborations with industry leaders such as Intel, TCS Eon, IBM, Microsoft, HP, L&T EduTech, Intellipaat, and Kadabam's Hospital for our allied health courses. These partnerships basically provide our students with direct access to industry-relevant certifications, hands-on project experiences, and real-world skill development. Our skill-oriented approach is not only an academic enhancement, but this is basically a strategic move enabling our graduates to have a competitive edge in possessing a successful and secure career path. Our skill-focused approach basically puts our graduates on a promising career path. Yes, we come with 100% placement support and powerfully backed with 3,100 hiring partners. This means that you're not only getting a degree, but you're getting exposed to a big universe of opportunities. At SVYASA University, we don't just offer a degree, and nor do we just help you get through your entire course, but we also want the best for you. And that's why, for our students, we offer free health insurance policies where you can continue to pursue your education without any stress of any kind of emergency expenses. So whether you just finished your 12th standard exams or you're looking to pursue your master's degree, come to SVYASA because this is exactly where your career begins.